Good night, teacher Gloria and colleagues. My name is Farley Gonzalez. At the company as select for the activity is Endesa on Spain. Endesa was founded a company of National Electricity Corporation and was legal name is Endesa S.A. Is a Spanish company that operates the electricity and gas sectors. He is country 7% on the wide on the Italian electric company. If we determine shareholders in the Italian state, the rest is in the hands of inventors of private shareholders. Endesa represents a value of 20 million tons of greenhouse gases, 9.8% on the country, showing the hard work and polling in the debating company for the environment. Basically, in the letter in why communicates why Mr. Ignacio Jimenez, solar hand on communication Endesa. As you to understand, that would know one are future controlled by the company that destroys our planet in her life. Why shall causing problems like climate change in the world? Work on a modern society depending on fossil fuel is not sustainable, so why have to find in the world near future and what can produce energy and the storage in the large-scale battery wide world, definitely with eco-friendly solution.